Hi, this is Kelly with the Kiki Gallery's Quick Knit Tutorials. And in this video, I want to show you how to back out knits and also back out purls. Oftentimes, if you've made a mistake, like if you can see this little purl in the front, I was supposed to knit all the way down and whoops, I accidentally purled instead. And I just want to back out to fix that. Something easy, or maybe you're just more comfortable with backing out stitch by stitch versus frogging or trying to pick up a stitch down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to back out knit stitches first, and then we'll get to the end and we'll back out the back side, which are purl stitches. Okay, so I have my yarn in my hand. And the first one's a little, it's not tricky, but I'm just gonna go ahead and back that one out first. And now what you're gonna wanna do is always in a knit stitch, go through the front just like this. So you can see how I just went right through the front. Sometimes in some things you'll see it'll look like you should go through the back, but always just go through the front of a knit stitch and pull it off. And that way you can see that your stitch is on there perfectly straight and ready to be knit again. Then I'm going to keep going through the front and remove. Now we're at this purl stitch, so I'll show you while we're here how to do the purl. I will pull it in the front because you may have knits and purls instead of just knits. You're going to do pretty much the same thing, even though it looks like you should just grab back here. You're going to go through the front. Now that stitch is on straight to purl or to knit once you come back around. Then go through the front. Remove. I just got to hold on to all this so it doesn't fall out. And again, one more time through the front. And that's how you back out knit stitches. And I showed you the one purl, but we'll go through here. You're going to want to put your yarn obviously in front. And then you can see the stitch. Sometimes even the edge gets confusing, but you just want to put that right through the front and then pull that out and your stitch is on correct. And then again, go right through the front like that. Through the front, up, kind of up and under and up. Yeah, under and up. And just remember to do that, because let's say if you did go through that way, again, sometimes they look like you should, and you pulled that off. I'm going to just put it through the back so you can see. But you can see now that stitch is on backwards. And then you're going to end up having to turn that stitch around and place it on correctly. And that just kind of gives you extra work if you're wanting to just get through it and so you can get to knitting again. And again, under and pull it over. And those are backing out purl stitches. And that is how you back out your knits and purls. Links are below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.